In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a local weather calendar to Google Calendar using weather icons. This is a fantastic way to keep track of the weather and have it neatly integrated into your daily schedule, so let's dive into it. First, we need to choose a weather calendar source. For this demonstration, we'll be using a tool called Weather in Calendar. It's straightforward and user-friendly, making it a top choice for many. To start, visit the Weather in Calendar website. Here, you'll be prompted to input your city. This step is essential as it allows the tool to pinpoint the most accurate weather information tailored to your location. Adjusting preferences is also part of this setup. You'll have options such as selecting the temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on your preference. Once you've set your city and preferences, the next step is to obtain the calendar link. The website will generate a calendar link for you, and in most cases it automatically copies to your clipboard. If it doesn't, make sure to highlight the link and manually copy it. This link is what you'll use to integrate the weather updates into your Google Calendar. Now let's head over to Google Calendar. Open up your Google Calendar on your web browser and look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear icon in the upper right part of the page. Once you locate it, click on the icon and proceed by selecting Add Calendar from the options available. This will bring you to more choices where you will want to click on From URL. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the URL that you previously copied from the Weather in Calendar website into the field labeled URL of Calendar. Pasting it right here is crucial as it allows Google Calendar to fetch the weather data and display it alongside your events and appointments. Lastly, you'll want to finalize this process by clicking on Add Calendar. This step saves the changes you've made, and within moments you'll see the local weather updates seamlessly integrated into your Google Calendar interface. And there you have it. You've successfully added a local weather calendar to your Google Calendar, complete with useful weather icons to visually represent conditions at a glance. This setup not only enhances your calendar view but also ensures you're always prepared for the weather ahead. It's perfect for planning your weekly activities, outfit choices, or even travel plans. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life. See you next time.